Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Concube, and in this video we are going to do our next case, that is corners are correct. As you can see that all corners are correctly assigned. Okay, all corners are correctly solved, but there are some edges which needs to be fixed. Okay, and by corner I do it doesn't mean that it needs to be solved whole, because we are just doing OLL, so we will be only seeing the yellow part. Okay, so you just have to hold like this and see whether these 5 are at the correct pieces or not. It will be always at correct, this 4. Okay, so in this also there can be two cases. First is this one and second is this one, H. I call it H. Okay, H case. So we are doing first the H case. Okay, and I already told you it's easy to recognize these cases because you can easily see the H cases, and if it is not a H case, then it will be obviously the first case. Okay, so this is the H case. It is very easily recognizable. Okay, so what you need to do in this, you need to hold like this so that you get a H from here. Okay, either from this side or from this side, it doesn't matter. So you need to hold like this. First, what you need to do, you need to do the sexy move, holding like this, R-U-U-L R-D-U-R. Okay, now you are done with your sexy move. What you need to do, we need to move this middle layer up so that these two get fixed. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to do the other part. Other part is U-L R-U. Now this whole white is done, so we can easily put it back and put the hole down. Okay, so then U-R, then RD. Sorry, this is whole R wide. Okay, so this is small r, as you can see in the, as I did it showed it in the algorithm also. So let me do it again. Okay, then first what you need to do, you need to hold like this, and first you need to do the sexy move. Okay, sexy move is done. Then you need to move up the middle layer so that these two get joined. Then what you need to do, you can rotate it this side so that when you rotate the right up, you get a 4 block of white also here. Okay, so basically this is UL and this is RU, since these white is formed. Now what you can do, you can put this back so that it both are joined, white part, and simply you can do the small r down, that is r white down. Okay, so you can see that your OLL is solved and your white is also not get distorted. So now let's come on to the first part. First part is, okay, let me go to the first part. So this is the first part. Okay, in this part your all corners are rightly fixed, as we already know, but some edges are flipped. These need to be flipped on their specific position, whichever they are in. Okay, so in this part, as you know that there can be only two cases when corners are correct and edges need to be flipped. So if it is not the second case, it will be always the first case, and it's very easy to recognize the second case since it forms a H over here. Okay, so this is the second case. If it's not the first case, this is the first case. If it is not the second case, then it will obviously be the first case when corners are correctly in their position. Okay, so in this case what you need to do, you need to hold the cube like this so that so your one edge which need to flip is on the right hand side, and one edge which need to flip is facing toward you, or front side. Okay, so you need to hold the cube like this, and what you need to do, you need to do this move. First move is this is basically doing the sexy move with wide. Okay, R wide. So RU-UL RD-UR. Okay, then what you need to do, in this we did the middle up. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do the middle down here. So we have done the middle down. Now what you need to do, you need to just easily fix this piece over here as you do in the C4 or F12. Okay, as you do in the F12, you need to bring this piece over here. So this can be easily done by this. Okay, basically UL RU UR RD, which I just did. Okay, this is quite intuitive also. If you want to see it again, let me show you again. Okay, so this was the case. What you need to do, you need to do the sexy move with R wide. So this is the sexy move. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to do the middle down. Okay, as in the second case we did the middle up, so now this is basically the opposite, so we will do the middle down. And then what you need to do, you need to just fix this piece up over here as you did in F12. Okay, so you can see your yellow side is solved in OLL. Okay, so that was all for today's class. I hope you like this video. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.